Our benchmark has shown that you can improve OEE significantly in an automated plant compared to one with low or no automation. We also know that the food and beverage industry overall has low asset utilization compared to many other industries. This actually means that there is most likely room for improvement in your plant as well. The foundation to reduce operational costs with plant automation is that it gives you total control of all starts, stops, and transfers. It automatically synchronizes your production flow to avoid waste and time losses. Your operators, they don't have to do it manually on the shop floor. But it's when you combine automated processes and data collection with world-class manufacturing methodologies that you can make a real difference. To get started, assess your current situation, then address your most relevant challenge, and over time you can expand and grow with the solution.